Hello guys, welcome once more to another video in our YouTube channel. So in this video we continue solving the entrance examination questions into the first year of medical, pharmaceutical and odontostomatological training in Cameroon. So we are going to be looking at the problem that came in physics 2019 and it was the last problem of the paper, question 25. So the question reads, determine the value of L in Henry's in the circuit below so that it resonates at 100 Hertz. We have 5 options and here is a diagram. So for the diagram we just have an RLC circuit. R is the resistance of the resistor, L is the inductance of the inductor, and C is the capacitance of the capacitor. So 100 microfarads, the inductance of the inductor is L, while the resistance of the resistor is 100 ohms. So we are asked to find the value of the inductance in this RLC circuit provided it resonates at a frequency of 100 Hertz. So what happens at resonance? At resonance we have the resonance frequency, which is defined by 1 over 2 pi the square root of LC. So from here, since we have the frequency, we have the capacitance, but we don't have the inductance, and that is what we need to find. So it means that if you square both sides, you are going to have f squared equal to 1 over 4 pi squared times LC. And if you want to look for the value of the inductance L, you just have to multiply both sides by L and divide both sides by f squared. So your L inductance will be equal to 1 divided by 4 pi squared times f squared times C. And with this, all you need to do is numerical application. But I'm not going to end here for this video. I will guide you guys on how to actually develop that f is equal to 1 over 2 pi root LC by introducing some other things that might help you in other questions. So generally at resonance, what happens is that the capacitive reactance is equal to the inductive reactance. Now what is a capacitive reactance? It is represented by a symbol XC, while the inductive reactance is represented by the symbol XL. Alright, so XC is defined by 1 over 2 pi FC. That's the definition of the capacitive reactance, while XL is equal to 2 pi FL. This is the inductive reactance. So this has already helped you, because if you were asked to find maybe the capacitive reactance or the inductive reactance, you'll be able to use these two formulas to find those values. Okay, now what is F? F is the resonance frequency, not just the frequency, the resonance frequency, the frequency at which the circuit resonates. And your L is the inductance, like I said before, while C is the capacitance. So if we equate the capacitive reactance to the inductive reactance, it means you have to equate 1 over 2 pi FC to 2 pi FL. If you cross multiply, we get 1 to be equal to 2 pi FC times 2 pi FL. Once we multiply, 2 pi times 2 pi is 4 pi squared. F times F is F squared, and then C times L is LC or CL, since multiplication is commutative. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to find the value of L. So your L will be equal to 1 over 4 pi squared F squared times C, which is the same thing. If you want to find F, you will need to take 1 over 4 pi squared times LC. Then you take the square root, since there is F squared. Alright, so anyways, this is how the general formula of F or C or L was developed. So the useful data we have here to be able to find the value of L is the frequency, the resonant frequency, which is 100 Hertz, and we also have the capacitance of the capacitor, which is 100 microfarads. We don't need the resistance of the resistor. Okay, so let us do the numerical application. So your L will be equal to 1 over 4 pi squared times F squared times C, and the resulting unit is going to be in Henry's, because that's a unit of inductance. Now 100 squared is 10 to the power 4. Okay, 10 to the power 100 times 10 to the negative 6, because this is the capacitance, it is in microfarads, and microfarad is 10 to the negative 6 farads. So we have to multiply 100 with 1 microfarad. So 100 times 1 microfarad is equal to 100 times 10 to the negative 6 farads, which is just this. Now this is 10 squared, this is 10 to the negative 6. Once we multiply, we add the powers, we get 10 to the negative 4 in henries. 10 to the power 4 times 10 to the negative 4 is 10 to the power 0, which is 1. So at the end of the day, the answer is 1 over 4 pi squared henries. So option B is correct. If you're just joining us in this channel, make sure you like the video, you share the video with your friends, and you also subscribe to the channel. You comment in the comment section what you feel about the video, and if you have any difficulty in medical entrance examination physics, you can send it to me directly. Though my number is not here, but I'm going to put my number in the comment section, so that if you have any difficulty, you can send to me, and I will use that opportunity now to create a video and share to the channel, so that so many other people benefit. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and you also share the video with your friends, so that they are also going to be impacted. Thank you once more, and see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.